our way. One of the largest deals on the street may actually have now hit a speed bump. CNBC TV 18 learns that Brookfield may have opted out of the race to buy Bharti Infratel. Nisha Poddar standing by with more on this exclusive. Hi Nisha, good afternoon. What more can you tell us?
Thanks for that, Sumaira. Of course, 3 independent sources with direct knowledge of the development there on this large transaction in the deal street have shared with CNBC TV 18 that Brookfield, the Canadian fund, which has been looking very aggressive on the street on the telecom tower deals, is opting out of the mega deal to buy out Bharti Infratel. Sources with direct knowledge share that they did get into an exclusivity period, and after the end of it, they just moved out, considering that the valuations may not be feasible at this point to invest in Bharti Infratel. On the other hand, what this leaves the deal to be is the only game in town is going to be KKR along with CPPIB. So those were the first interested parties, and now the only ones remaining in this particular deal, at least at the moment. Now remember, KKR, CPPIB, as sources with direct knowledge share with us, are interested in buying a majority stake in Bharti Infratel. They are looking at buying at least 51% stake, is what sources with direct knowledge share with us. And also now, with the lack of any other buyer, any other suitor for Bharti Infratel, the valuations for this particular deal will also be reviewed by KKR CPPIB, which is, as I said, and in bankers' term, the only show in town for this particular deal. So it has to be seen how this goes forward. 70,000 odd crore rupees is the market cap of Bharti Infratel, and deal, if with KKR goes through, would be around those levels only, not at a huge premium, is what we gather at this point. We'll have to see whether there are any more interested parties and whether Bharti Infratel would be keen to sell a majority stake or would be looking at a minority stake at this point.
All right, Nisha Poddar, of course, tracking that story.